In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix update payment method problem on Netflix. If you're having this error or issue where Netflix continuously asks you to update your payment method, there could be a few reasons to that. The first reason could be that the payment method that you've entered or the details of it are incorrect. So to first check it, open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com and then just log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the three lines which is on the top left and then open up account. From the accounts tab, if you scroll down a bit, you'll have a section of manage payment info. You can tap on it and tap on edit. Make sure that the payment method that you added are correct, which is your name, card number and the expiration date and the CVV. Once you check that, you can head back. Once you checked your payment method and once you updated it, your problem should be fixed. But if it is still not fixed, there are a couple of other things that you can try out. Firstly, you can try to update your app of Netflix. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Netflix. If there are any new updates, you can tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now the second thing that you can try out, even if updating doesn't work, you can just uninstall the app of Netflix from your phone and again re-download it. Or you can also try to open up Netflix from your desktops or your PCs. Once you again downloaded the app of Netflix, you just again log into your account, and by doing this couple of steps, your problem should be fixed. So that was a quick video on how to fix update payment method problem on your Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share and also leave this video a like. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.